Hi, I'm Sharina and I'm a horticulturist at Gardens by the Bay. Thank you for joining me for the first episode of Colours in Bloom Lite, a series of online tutorials where we share with you hands-on gardening projects and DIY tips and tricks. Today I'll be teaching you how to make your own macrame hanger for your plants. Not only is it a creative way to hang your plants, it will add a boho accent to your home or office. Macrame is the art of knotting strings into decorative patterns. It can be used to create many things such as a plant hanger, wall deco piece, coasters, cushion covers and many more. And it is a really fun and relaxing hobby to pick up. Today I'll be sharing with you how to create a macrame plant hanger using a knot called the gathering knot. For this activity, you will need decorative pot. You can purchase pre-decorated ones or decorate one on your own. 6 pieces of cotton macrame cords, each cut to 2 meters in length. You can also get this in different colors from art and craft shops. 1 S-shaped hook, 1 ruler, and a pair of scissors. Not forgetting your potted hanging plant to use the macrame on when you're done. I have with me pots of creeping basket plant, spiral sorrel, satin pothos, and the spider plant. Examples of popular hanging plants that you may choose for your service yards and balconies. Let's start by placing the S-hook on the rack. Now take 4 cords and hang them by the halfway point. Hold the cords together. With the separate cord, make a U-shaped loop at one end and wrap the cord around firmly and neatly, going downwards. Once you are done, pass the cord through the loop and pull the tail at the top to secure the knot underneath. Cut off the tail and extra cord. And you are done. Take 2 of the cords. We'll tie the next gathering knot about 20 cm away from the first gathering knot. Once you are done, proceed to tie another 3 gathering knots at the same length, each joining 2 cords. Next, we will proceed to connect the cords. Take a cord from one set and another one from the adjacent one. We will tie the gathering knot about 50 cm down from the last one. Repeat to connect the rest of the cords at the same length using gathering knots. Once you are done, you should get another 4 sets of gathering knots, all connected, like this. To tie everything up, we will use the balance cord to tie the last gathering knot at the bottom. This should be about 10 cm away from the last one. Hold all the knots. Make sure it's tight as it supports the weight of the plant and the pot. You can leave a bit of a tail at the end or cut it shorter if you like. Lastly, carefully place the potted plant into the decorative pot and into the macrame plant hanger. There, we have completed our macrame planter basket. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching and I hope this has been useful. Do visit our Gardens by the Bay e-shop for our Colours in Bloom deluxe workshops at the gardens. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button or share if you like this video. I hope to see you at the garden soon.